Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and have you ever seen two beers with the exact same advertising gimmick and wondered, do these actually taste the same? So like I said, have you ever seen two different breweries advertise their beer basically the exact same way and wonder, are these the same beer or do they taste the same? Well, we're gonna find out. We have Illuminated Brewworks, Fruit Slave, and Matchless Brewing Company's Hop Stripes. Kinda look familiar. Almost as if they need a zebra on the cover and not a goat. Illuminated Brewworks Fruit Slave comes in at a 7.5% ABV, a unavailable IBU. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 4.01. Double dry hopped with a wasteful amount of Matuka Citra and Mandarina Bavaria hops to make you think it's full of tropical delight. Matchless Brewing's Hop Stripes comes in at a 6.3% ABV, a unknown IBU. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.89. We got all nostalgic with this throwback to your childhood, using just the right combination of hops for flavor that lasts, with a bit of lactose and maltodextrin to give it just a hint of sweetness. Say hello to the only juicy IPA that makes you think of cartoon zebras. Well, they got that wrong right away. Okay, so let's try both of these gum-themed beers. So we got the Fruit Slave. It looks hazy, it looks juicy. It actually has a bit more of a khaki yellow-esque head to it. The head actually dissipated quite fast. Very mango, what is that fruit I'm thinking of? Apricot. Very mango and apricot-y. Easy to drink, very pleasant. Has a very smooth texture to it. A little drying, almost as if it was like stale bubblegum. There's this weedy dryingness to it that makes it taste like, stale bubblegum. There's no malt sweetness to it, which is what I'm expecting from a juicy bubblegum flavored juicy fruit beer. Okay, so let's try the Hop Stripe. Right away, the body is still very pleasant looking. It actually doesn't look as thick. It is hazy, but just comparative right next to each other, doesn't look as thick. The head is a white rockiness. It took a while to come down. This is a bit more hop aromatic comparative to that had a bit more tropical fruit. Still very pleasant smelling, but this smells more like a Northwest beer. Ooh, different flavors. Sweeter maltiness in this one, but not super aggressive in the body or a lot of the flavors, but all around very well balanced and just sweeter. But I couldn't really distinguish flavors as fast as I could as the other one. This doesn't taste like stale bubblegum, but this has a juicier flavor to it. So it's kind of a toss-up right now. But I don't quite remember what the gum actually tastes like. So let's try some. The gum's better than the beer. Alright guys, welcome to Hops and Brews. This is a gum review. I'm just going to be here chewing gum. I'll probably cut this scene out. I will say, it is good gum. I'm not a big gum guy, but... So after we tried the packet of gum, let's see which one of these beers actually captured the flavor essence of that gum in the beer. This still has a very nice tropical aroma. So I don't get as much mango, but I'm pretty sure the gum sweetness is overpowering, but I still get this apricot type flavor. So I enjoy having a fruit flavor in this beer, and it still has that dry gum taste to it. So I'm enjoying that. The aroma of this reminds me more of a beer, an IPA. I think the sugars from the gum and the hop flavors in the beer are actually contradicting in my mouth and making this beer a bit more bitter than I remember it earlier. So what I come up with is, in the beginning, what I thought would actually probably taste like the actual gum was the Matchless beer because of its sweet malty flavoring, and I still tasted some fruity essence, just a little bit, to where this dry bubblegum flavor of the Hop Slave just really didn't do anything for me. But then after trying the actual gum, it still lingered in my mouth, but the Hop Slave really kind of complemented the gum a lot more. It reminded me more of gum and fruity essence gum. So really what I'm saying is, if you don't have the gum, this beer will remind you of it. If you do have the gum, this beer will complement it. If you find either one of these beers available to you, pick up a packet of gum and crack open a beer. See you guys later. Okay, so I do want to try what these two taste combined. I'm pretty sure that's not the most scientific way of doing it, but kind of works out. That is more like a beer gum IPA. See you guys later. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Untappd, Twitter, all the big social media stuff. The links for those will be at the very bottom of the description, so make sure to scroll down. Leave a comment or two while you're down there. Say, hey, I like this video, I didn't like this video, you look good here, you don't look good there. Shave your head, I don't care. Whatever. Hey, Nickelback, what up? It's cool. I get it a lot. See you guys.